Hello, I'm Peter Myers. I've been working with Microsoft data products for over 20 years, and I'm excited to be coming to Bangalore for the Data Platform Summit 2018 this coming August. I want to talk to you about a pre-conference session that I'll be delivering at the conference on Tuesday, 8th of August. The title of the pre-con is Zero to Analysis Services. But let me first set the scene. Talking about business intelligence is a passion of mine, and I could talk from experience about many topics including source data, ETL, data quality, master data, but let's leave that for another time. The focus in this video is on the importance of the data model that can drive analytics and reporting, and also self-service BI. In my full-day pre-conference event, I will explain how to deliver data models either as standalone resources or as part of an enterprise data warehouse delivery. I'll cover both multi-dimensional models, aka cubes, and the newer design approach of the tabular model. And I'll be sharing my experience to provide you with guidance and recommendations on how to develop the appropriate model for your requirements. You will learn how analysis services can deliver analytic queries, how it can integrate multiple data sets together, giving you multiple subject areas together in one model. Of course, there's the topic of performance, of which data models excel at, and discussions on how we can even optimize performance further, and also the topic of how we can deliver up-to-date, low-latency data through the model. The topic of calculations, whether it's MDX or DAX, to enrich the model with your business logic, and how to encapsulate all of this into a single version of the truth, avoiding the deduplication of data, effort, and logic. We'll also talk about key performance indicators, interactions such as drill down, drill up, drill through, also custom actions, and how the model can be translated and localized for your users, and of course the topic of how to visualize data from the model, and of course security, how to deliver the right data to the right people. So, Zero to Analysis Services, a full-day pre-conference at the Data Platform Summit 2018 in Bangalore. But wait, there's more. I have several sessions at the conference as well. On the topic of Power BI, the A to Z of Power BI dashboards, and a session appealing to the app developer, how to embed Power BI analytics into your applications. See you at the Data Platform Summit 2018 in Bangalore. Thanks for watching.